Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet 5200 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options. Scroll down and find system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit. Close. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search type download HP LaserJet 5200 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. First link is the HP site. And HP printer official website is open. It's detect your operating system and bit, right? Here we find Windows 10 64-bit. It is right. If any case, if your bit is not right, operating system is not right, then go to there, choose a different OS. Here select Windows, go to here and select Windows 10 32-bit. If 32-bit operating system, Windows 10 64-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, click on the update. After that, this page goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find driver universal printer driver. Expand this. Here we find some drivers. Use this first driver, version number V8, or go to the second option PCL6 or the plain. I go to the second option, click on the download. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. In my case, at the top, my download is complete. It's not redirect to the another page. If in your case, if redirect to the another page, go to the another page, and after that, download is started. Go to the top. Here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. Show in a folder. Click on show in folder. Minimize it. My download is completed. So make a large and drag this to my desktop. Close it. Next step is unzip this zip file. That is also easy and simple. Right click on it. Here we find extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on OK. And here we find extracted folder. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install this driver. Go to the start. In a start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up in this printers and scanner. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Next item is go to here add a printer and select list last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. The port is the most IMP part. If you find .4 underscore HP printer device, HP printer or any port with the HP, in this case, in this Dropbox, if you find any HP port, then select that HP port. If you not find HP port, then COM4 or LPT. And if this all not working, the best option is USB. Select USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Here we find HaverDisk. Click on the HaverDisk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop and double click on our folder. Here we find many files. These all files are .inf file and these all files contain same printer driver. Select any driver that you want. I select any driver that you want and click on the open, click on the OK. And here we find HP Universal Printer PCL6 or HP Universal Printer PCL6 version 7.8.0. Select anything that you want. Same, click on the next. Give any printer that you want. I give HP LaserJet. I type HP LaserJet 5200. Give any printer name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take some time, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer with the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners list, if you find your printer name HP LaserJet 5200, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.